did some future research and found out that Macy's was having a promotion the first week in April. And they were promoting 15% off on their website. As you know, these type of products really don't go on sale unless they're in a kit and you just pay retail. So when I did my order, I noticed they were offering 4 free samples with the eye cream. So I figured it was a no-brainer. 15% off and the eye cream, and of course, free shipping. So this is it. It's the Ultimate Miracle Worker Philosophy Eye Cream. What I also liked about it was the claims that they made that hydration increases by 80% after one use, which seems impressive if true. And in 2 weeks, under-eye puffiness appears to be reduced. And in 4 weeks, 83% saw reduced appearances of wrinkles, and 100% showed dramatically firmer skin. Yes, of course, we know it's probably not all true, but if it were true, that would be awesome. So I got the eye cream and I wanted to open it to show it to you. I would say it appears to be a drop on the thicker side, which is nice, but I did take a sneak peek and try it, and a little bit does go a very long way. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be enough to get me through the summer months and give me some eye protection and moisturization. So this is the actual box. So anyways, I wanted to show you the samples because I thought it was really cool that I got 4 free samples in addition to the 15% off. So I'm opening this now. So this was actually one of the samples, which actually is a package of 2. It's the Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix, a facial serum roller. We're gonna give that a shot. I have no idea what that's gonna do, but A, it was free, and B, if I like Philosophy, it'll be great to try another one of their products. The second thing that was in that package, which is still one of the 4 free samples, was Renewed Hope in a Jar, which is a renewing dew concentrate. It says for hydration, glow, and fine lines, which certainly isn't a bad thing if that works. Again, these are small samples, but they're pretty nice. They'd be great if you travel. This one's 0.1 ounce, and so is this one. Anyway, so the second thing I received, sample number 2, they gave me a choice of options. So I chose the Anastasia Brow Wiz. We've all been hearing a lot about Anastasia being the guru of eyebrows. So I figured I would give that a shot and see how that works. Since we all haven't been doing too much makeup, it's kind of exciting to try some new skincare and makeup, and of course our eyes are the only thing showing these days, so I thought this would be interesting. So it's just a pencil with and I believe a spoolie, and you just sort of use it to fill in the lines and fill in the spare spaces on your eyebrows and brush it out with the spoolie. So that was sample number 2. That's the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So this is the third sample I received, which was Purity Made Simple Moisturizer, another Philosophy item. It's a light moisturizer, which probably would be better for the summer months in the evening, maybe after putting on a lot of SPF during the day. That's something that I would like to try. Again, 1/4 ounce sample, something new. It was free, so why not? And the 4th thing I got was actually kind of cool and unexpected. It was this bag from Philosophy, which is called Radiance Renewed Glow on the Go Set. So let's open it and see what's inside. And inside was the micro delivery exfoliating facial wash from Philosophy, as well as a Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream, which is a hyaluronic glow moisturizer. And also inside is Renewed Hope in a Jar appealing mousse, and a sample of their Amazing Grace fragrance, which I've actually tried, and it's pretty nice. And it also came with this bag. So I bought the moisturizer, which after the 15% came out to be $59.50, free shipping. I got this bag, which came with these 3 items in it, which was 1 free sample. This was my 2nd free sample, the Anastasia. And the 3rd free sample was the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. And then the set of 2 together, which was the 4th sample, was the Renewed Hope in a Jar Dew Concentrate and the Ultimate Miracle Worker Facial Serum Roller. So, for $59.50, I got the eye cream that I've wanted to try and all of these samples for free. So that actually wasn't a bad deal, and it's actually fun to get something that you didn't expect in the mail, a nice thing to open and samples to try. We all haven't been going out there and hitting the stores and trying things, so I thought this was fun, and hoping that the moisturizer for my eyes does the trick over the summer. And thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at the next review.